At the beginning of the semester, the science teachers in our school brought everyone together and told us about a project we'd have to do to green Lucas. We would be put in a group with people of different ages and science backgrounds, and we were expected to come up with a brilliant idea. They also mentioned that there would be a prize for the winning team. So they put the teams together and we began to brainstorm a problem that our school had. We thought and we thought and we thought, until finally we realized that there aren't enough recycling bins in our school. The only problem is that you can't really make a project out of adding a few recycling bins. So we tried again. We thought and we thought and we thought, until we realized that our school doesn't use enough renewable energy. Maybe we could make some of our own energy that's environmentally friendly. So we researched that. A lot. We researched until we couldn't research anymore. And you know what we found? Well, there are these things called photovoltaic cells. And what these cells do is they take energy from the sun, convert it into electricity, and plug that electricity into the grid. This is a much safer way to produce energy than burning fossil fuels or using nuclear energy, because solar panels do not damage the environment or affect people's health at all. But the coolest thing about these panels is that when you plug your electricity into the grid, the government makes a 20-year contract with you called the Microfit program, and for every kilowatt hour you make, they pay you 80.2 cents. Not sure how much that is in electricity terms? Well, think about this. We only pay 5.6 cents per kilowatt hour when we buy it from the London Hydro Company. 5 cents, 80 cents. 5 cents, 80 cents. Get the picture? So why would anyone not want solar panels on their roof? Well, the problem is the initial cost. To get a suitable system for our school, a 10 kilowatt system, it costs about $85,000. However, the initial cost is the only money problem. Our school uses about 80,000 kilowatt hours a month. Multiply that by the 12 months in a year and the 5.6 cents per kilowatt hour, we're spending about $50,000 every year in just electricity. Now look at the solar panels. They make about 13 megawatt hours a year. Multiply that by the 80.2 cents the government pays you for each kilowatt hour, and we make about $10,500 every year. Now if you subtract the $10,000 from the $50,000, you can see that we are paying about $40,000 for electricity bill every year. That may seem like a lot, but if you compare it to original amount, we're cutting over 20% of our electricity bill. Now let's go back to that original $85,000. Since we're making over $10,000 a year, we'll be able to pay off that amount in less than 9 years. And in the other 11 years of our 20-year contract, we'll be making over $110,000. So, why should our school choose solar power as our green initiative? For 3 reasons. 1, solar power is quiet and not an eyesore. 2, it's a great way to do our part in eliminating fossil fuel and nuclear production. And 3, solar power pays. In only 20 years, we make more than $100,000 in profit. We hope that you agree that solar power is the best choice for our school. Thank you for watching.